add a camera here. Create camera. And let's go into that camera view. And I'm going to stop, continue, and start on frame 1, and then rotate so that my camera view is kind of facing the scene. And actually I can just go ahead and, probably easier to just line it up here. And so my perspective, so this is the camera that I want to render out of. I'm going to hit S and keyframe everything, rotation, scale, and translation, and then and scroll over to the last frame, which is frame 250, and I want to kind of be tracking this sphere here. So maybe I end up something like that. And with the camera selected, there you go. I'm gonna hit S and insert a keyframe. So then as let's make sure I go in my single panel view and then into my panels and then camera 1 and then slide through. And I actually want it to like maybe stay static until the sphere gets released. So I might actually take this frame and the dope sheet and translate it so that it's on frame 60, so that we start moving when the ball is released. And that's just kind of like a creative decision. It emphasizes the kind of physics of and the animation and the movement of the objects in the scene rather than confusing with the moving camera. So once it's established what's going on, then we can start moving the camera. All right, so I'm going to go into my windows and my animation editor and my dope sheet and select that keyframe and then edit and then transform, move key, and then there we go. And my dope sheet is really not playing nice, so I'm just going to do it down here. All right, so let's preview and see what that looks like. Cool. And I might even want to make that like a little bit later even. And yeah, that looks good. Cool. All right, so I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna add some materials to this and then render it out, and I'll show you what I've got when it's done.